Look at that. Pigeon in the market, huh? I wonder if that's a sign or an omen or some crap. Maybe the poor guy just got lost in the market. Wow. Here I am obeying the law and trying to spread the good word at the same time. You know, you can read that. But you know it's true. And yes, there's a pigeon in the market.
Oh my God.
Oh, God bless him. Yeah, he's just flying across the market. I was scared. I almost got him flying. You're not a food, but you're definitely a favorite. Let's see if he'll let me get close. Hey there. Oh, oh. Hey, buddy. Wish you can open up the door here, let you out. Probably how you got in. Huh. God bless you.